How's it cracking, YouTube? Got a new brand to the channel. Fintiso. Not really sure how you pronounce it, but definitely going to be a sugar-free review. Box kind of looks like a Kaiser box, but who knows. Zipper pouch definitely looks different. Let's see. That looks different. Get a microfiber cloth and a sticker. And here's the knife. This is called the Fintiso. No name. Some will call it Nightshade. Since they didn't give me a name, I'll make my own. $60. They did have a couple premium ones with carbon fiber, or their version of premium. That's 35 VN. But yeah, wasn't going to jump in head first. Just wanted to try them out. Got a 3.1 inch 14C 28N blade, satin finish, flat grind. And I call this a shilling cutter top blade. Said the HRC is 59 to 60 on Amazon, which is decent for 14C. You do have a 3mm blade stock, or 0.12 inches. Overall length of 7.45 inches. Let's do some size comparisons. Of course, I got the bad quality control Nightshade from Vosteed. Just a little bit bigger. Simcut San Angelo. Kind of, sort of, same type of blade. Definitely bigger. I haven't done a video on this yet. Need to get that done. Bigger on Carrots. Budget version. They're in the same price range. Just a hair bigger. And CGRB Echo. Just about the same length. That's a good comparison. Got a 4.37 inch handle, 0.56 inches wide. Closed width in the pocket from here to here is 1.2 inches. Surprised it didn't break into 5 pieces and have 10 scratches from that, but it don't. Got T6 on your body screws and your clip. Did scratch. Got a weight of 3.7 ounces, which is alright. Does have some weight relief. Looks like you have steel liners. Have a non-reversible deep carry clip that is inset. Flat screws. Goes in and out of the pocket alright. It's kind of funky shape though. Not the most comfortable. Handles are contoured aluminum. Like I said, they have a couple different options. Put them on the screen if I remember. And of course it's a button lock. Blue button. I don't think I've seen that yet. And the blue accents do look nice. Let's check out the button. Sticks up quite a bit when it's open. Check out the action. You got a flipper tab with a hole for deployment. It's a little bit weak on the flipper tab. Reverse flicks feels okay. A little bit light. Of course, you can open it with the button. Looks like you have a matching aluminum backspacer, the lanyard hole. Not allowed to sharpen this one. The plunge ends right at the edge. Oh, speaking of which, I forgot to test out, see how sharp it is. It's very sharp. Now, I didn't go banging it on the table or nothing, because I don't abuse my knives, but looks like it does have plenty of button hanging on the blade. All that blue is rubbing off though. Dislikes on this knife. For one thing really sticking out to me, the pivot is smaller than the hole. It's kind of odd. You think a CNC done knife would be about perfect. Detent slot, very light on the flipper. Clip is kind of funky, but really it's just uncomfortable in hand. I mean, not the worst clip I've ever felt, but you definitely feel it more than I'd like. Button sticks up a little bit more than I'd like it to. I'd like it to be this high when it's opened, but yeah, it's not. Clip is non-reversible. That'll bug some people, and T6s, of course. I always prefer T8s, but for a new company, it's not that bad of an off. If you can get a great deal on this, I wouldn't pay $60. It don't feel like a $60 off. Maybe like $40, 30, 40. Then yeah, I could recommend it. They still have some areas to improve in, but yeah, not bad. I will link it down below if you want to pick one up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a like and a comment, and see you on the next one.